Hello everyone, welcome to S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Here is my project. This is a spring and Easter home decoration table centerpiece. This is made from the recycled materials. This is a mini garden. You can see there's a beautiful tree, a fence surrounded with beautiful flower gardens. There is an orchid and there is some flower pot here for different flowers. These flowers is coming from the recycled magazine, the pictures from the magazine. I cut out and I transfer into the carton and fix into this mini garden. This brown color is a chocolate cake, but the chocolate cake is already unused, so I decided to use this one, serve as my mini garden. And how it looks like, very beautiful decoration. It's like a real garden. Look at here, the brown color like a real soil, and the flower garden, the flower pot is standing on the garden with three beautiful pine trees. This leaves are real pine trees. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your waste materials and create a beautiful project like this. Coming up next is my video tutorial, so don't miss it, watch it, so that you will learn how to create this mini garden, mini flower garden. So stay tuned. Please support my channel by subscribing so that you will learn many things from me and you will be updated with all my projects. Thank you for joining me, and I wish everyone a happy Easter and enjoy your Easter holidays. God bless everyone, and please subscribe to my channel. This is a very easy project. And this is very costless. You don't need to buy anything. Just recycle your waste materials in order to minimize your garbage. I'm just encouraging you to please recycle your waste in order to keep our environment clean and safe.